can we read this book, please?
Sure, Maisy.
All right. Maisy goes on a nature walk. A Maisy's First Experiences book by Lucy. By Lucy Cousins. Thank you. Maisy goes for a nature walk. Today, Maisy and her friends are going on a nature walk. Maisy packs her bag. Hooray! All ready to go. Oh, it's the whole gang. Everybody meets at the park entrance. I'm so excited, says Tallulah. Me too, agrees Maisy. First, they visit the pond. Oh, look at that. There are so many animals and plants living here. Quack, quack, it's a little duck. Charlie crouches down for a closer look. Ribbit, ribbit, and there's a little frog. Hello, tadpoles. Hello, fish. Hello, dragonfly. The animals who live in the woods are very shy. Who can you see? Oh, let's see. Oh, there's a fox. And there's a deer. There's another deer. There's a third deer. And then there's a rabbit over there, just like me. There are chirping noises up in the trees. Cheep, cheep. Maisy spots a bird in her chicks. Tweet, tweet. Oh yeah, there they are. Maisy looks for insects hiding under logs and in the leaves. The ants are very busy. Oh, look at all the bugs. The next stop is the wildflower garden. What's that buzzing sound? The bees are busy making honey. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Oh yeah, there's a hive over there in the white building. Using a magnifying glass, Cyril looks at the tiny creatures living by the flowers. Eddie finds the perfect tree to build a fort. Maisy and Cyril collect little twigs. Charlie looks for branches and sticks. Tallulah picks daisies for a special surprise. Oh, that sounds like fun. What a marvellous fort! Yeah, look at it all. My gang's all there. Surprise, says Tallulah. She has made everyone lovely flower crowns. Thank you, Tallulah. Oh, they all got nice flowers for their heads. What a wonderful day exploring outside. I love nature walks, says Maisy. Oh, well, that was a fun story, everybody. We'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.